We're about innovation, and our lean culture is one that seeks continuous improvement in everything we do. Innovation is one of Fleetwood's core values, and innovation is part of our DNA.
We want to take it to the next level. We want to give the customers more of what they're asking for, more storage, more safety, more reliability, to give them the best drive and the best chassis that the industry can offer.
It's important that our customers know that they're going to be taken care of after the sale. Our customers want to be confident that their investment is going to be protected.
We have an ongoing year-round dialogue with our customers. These interactions can be as informal as a plant tour or as formal as an owner rally, a show, on the dealer lots. Throughout the year, numerous occasions, our organization is engaged in constantly dialoguing with our owner base. Through this dialogue, we've learned that our owners want a few things in their chassis. They want a safe chassis, first of all. They want a durable and reliable chassis. They want a chassis that meets their needs.
The chassis is really the foundation of a great motorhome experience, and owners rely on it to deliver superior performance, safety, and reliability.
It is the stationary foundation and basement that propels the coach down the road.
It's very difficult to have an excellent motorhome without the solid foundation beneath the floor.
A good chassis is one that is almost never noticed.
I challenged our product development and engineering organizations to start with a clean sheet of paper, to benchmark competitors, to benchmark our own chassis, and create a new innovative chassis that would provide the best performance in handling and safety in the industry.
Building this chassis has been a great collaboration between a few different companies, with Fleetwood, Freightliner, and ASV. The collaboration of many years of experience through chassis building along with RV building is really going to give the industry what they've been asking for.
In creating this new chassis, we did bring along the excellent attributes that our previous chassis already had, such as a single-point service center. This aids in serviceability, cuts down on time that your coach is in the repair center, and makes it easier for the customer to check fluids, fill fluids, and monitor levels. This chassis is assembled using huck bolts, which are a permanent machine fixture fastener requiring very little human intervention. They do not come loose. Rather than a painted chassis, we used an E-coat, which is a military specification. E-coat is an electrically charged process in which the corrosion barrier bonds to the skin of the metal. Other chassis use a simple paint process, and the corrosion process is only as good as the paint itself. The first thing a customer notices when driving a coach is the smooth ride. The ride is the best in the industry because we were able to use custom shock valving. The custom shock valving is predicated on the incredibly stiff chassis, much like a high-performance sedan where the body of the vehicle is a rigid structure. The shocks then can be tuned for compliance, and this gives us a very quiet, very smooth ride with little to no squeak inside the coach. We were able to increase our already class-leading pass-through storage by an additional 3%.
We've had the best chassis with the most storage in the industry. Although we had the best, we feel like we've even gotten better.
In creation of the design and finite element analyses, where you really have to put rubber to the road, we went to a local proving grounds and ran our long-standing durability test. It is one of the most rigorous in the industry as a proving ground schedule. We ran a full 5,000 miles, very robustly loaded to in excess of 50,000 pounds, and towed a 15,000 pound trailer. We actually broke that trailer several times. It was a loan from the proving ground with its ballasting conditions, and I don't know that they'll loan it to us again. The chassis came through almost unscathed. The improvements in this chassis make it almost understated. It's just not noticed. The best way to experience the improvements in our chassis is to drive a competitor's product and hear the jounce impact, hear the rebound shudder, feel the bump steer, listen to the squeaks and rattles inside the coach, and then come back and drive our coach. That's where the difference will really tell.
Feature for feature, it stacks up better than anything the competitor has to offer. I'm very confident in this new chassis. I truly believe it represents the best of everything possible in a motorhome chassis.
I am very confident that this new chassis will be a huge success for Fleetwood. We've spent a lot of time and effort on this. Our engineers have done a great job. We've had fantastic support from our internal and external resources within ASV, as well as our supply chain. I'm excited about this new chassis because I truly believe we've created the best chassis in the industry. If I didn't believe that, we would not offer it to our customer base.